Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in my Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows server is busy, please try again later, error code restrict area. So I click to OK and one more time I try to log in my account by using with the Facebook login details, but again it shows that same message. So how to fix this issue? But some YouTube video shows if you get this message, just one time clear that Battlegrounds Mobile India app data and then this problem is fixed. But my point of view, don't do this kind of things because once you clear your app data, that Battlegrounds Mobile India game resource files are again downloading and this will consume your mobile data or Wi-Fi data. So don't clear this app data. So anyway, very simple method to fix this error is just force close this Battlegrounds Mobile India and then install this VPN application from your Play Store. So once the installation is completed, just click to open it and also try to connect this VPN with your mobile network. And my connection is made successfully, so just minimize it. And one more time I try to open that Battlegrounds Mobile India because I check it if this trick works or not. And it starts to checking the updates, so be patient. And they ask for the login processes. So here I try to log in my account by using with the Facebook login details. But friends, now this time you can see my account is successfully logged in. So now this time it does not show that previously occurred error message. But friends, if maybe again it shows that same error message, just change your VPN server to another region so you can check the server by one. So I hope this method will work 100%. So anyway, for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.